In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoom webinars with HubSpot. Now, if you're ready to streamline your webinar process and ensure that your Zoom webinars are fully integrated with HubSpot, let's get started. First things first, to start this process, you need to open HubSpot and make sure you are logged into your account. This might sound pretty basic, but it's essential to ensure you have access to all the features and tools available to you. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. The trial guide is a fantastic resource that provides all the necessary materials to kick off your form building process effectively. It's designed to help you set up and manage different integrations smoothly. Once you've familiarized yourself with the trial guide, head back to your homepage. From here, you'll want to shift your attention to the Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, then you'll see an option for HubSpot Marketplace. Clicking this will take you to a space where you can find various integrations and tools to enhance your HubSpot experience. At this point, you'll need to use the search bar at the top of this page. Enter Zoom into the search bar. This simple search will bring up the Zoom integration option. Click on it and you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click Install. As you proceed, follow the prompts on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the installation process, ensuring that Zoom is correctly synced to your HubSpot account. The instructions are typically straightforward, but it's important to carefully read each step to avoid any potential issues. This integration facilitates seamless communication between Zoom webinars and HubSpot, allowing you to automatically track webinar registrations and attendance in your CRM. This can significantly enhance your marketing strategies and provide insights into your audience's engagement with your webinars. It's helpful to keep your HubSpot account open on another tab to monitor how things are syncing and to verify that everything is connected properly once you've completed the installation process. So, that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have Zoom webinars fully integrated with HubSpot, allowing you to leverage both platforms effectively and efficiently. Remember, the key is ensuring that each step is followed methodically to create a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out to support services of either Zoom or HubSpot if you encounter any challenges. You're now on your way to a more efficient and integrated webinar experience.